In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to build a legend in Revit. First step, we'll be using the right click on the legend icon in the project. Give it a name and scale. In the second step, we will be focusing on the annotation tools. First, using detail line to create the boundaries. After that, using text to fill up the titles of the table. For graphics design of the table, we will use the region tool to create solid pattern as background. Finally, the main step, fourth step, using the legend component. We will choose the correct family. Windows in that case. And we will place it once as floor plan and then as elevation front. We will place all the windows in that way in the table. Last step will be to insert the legend to the sheet next to our plan. Sign up for more videos of Revit.